Father Reverend Father Victor Manuel SJ, the principal, Andhra Loyola College. Satish, kindly unmute
Yes,
Father
sir,
Victor
your
Manuel.
co-host, sir, you co-host, you can do it, sir. 1 second. Making him co-host.
Yeah, you do it because I am
Yes,
in
sir.
the mobile.
Yes, sir.
Father,
Good evening, everybody.
good evening, Father. Welcome, Father.
So nice to have such a beautiful seminar. Satish, how are you?
Good evening, Father. I'm good, Father. Thank you.
So long you are not seen.
Yes, sir. Sir.
You are doing well.
Yes, sir. Perfect, sir. Everything is going good, sir.
I was listening to your past 10 minutes, 10 to 15
Oh,
minutes. It's a very nice way of answering. You're straightforward, and you're able to bring out the answers from them, the students' questions themselves.
thank
So
you, Father.
that also shows up your life itself. Nobody can attack us unless we allow ourselves. So even the COVID, it will not attack us if we allow ourselves.
Yes, Father.
So very good, nice. This one we are in a position where we go to the virus and get the virus. That is the situation. That is the ignorance where
Yes.
we are in. And if you cover yourself and you cover your mouth and you don't take anything out and touch yourself, it will not come inside. 100% sure. The same way, even computers, we can what we have we can protect, but the attacking takes place in spite of our what all maybe precautions we take place. We are not in control because we are data is out. Some of the data is out controlled by others. So that what your talk is been very enlightening. That what others can do, we have no control. 50% is in our hand, 50% in another hand. So that if you protect properly, that there is a 95%, as you say, 95% you can protect. That's a very nice way of saying. At the end, life is not completely protected. So we have to live with some vulnerabilities. We can take some precautions. That's all. But as much as possible, there are enough tools and enough things to take protect ourselves. In the virus, I never heard in my life. I thought virus is only for human beings, as it is like COVID. Virus in computers, when I heard when I was doing the MSc, that is the time where they introduced these computers. I did not think that I did not think the important study computers. I took mathematics. I thought the computers meant for just to calculate and just to do some manipulations. I don't need that. But now computer plays so much central part of our lives. It has become so much good tool to go ahead with the VCs. Now most of the students know about computers mainly because we conduct classes, we can communicate to them, and so many things are happening. Even the COVID situation itself is brought to focus the importance of computers. So the more we use anything, the more vulnerable it becomes. The more we use anything, in more vulnerable we are exposing it. That means computer is exposed continuously. Or we use so many things. Our phone, our emails, everything we use daily. The more you use, the more vulnerable it becomes. That's why you always were saying that you don't answer all those questions. Some of the questions maybe having some hacking website where if you open you are caught inside. So you have been enlightening the way our students were answering the questions and asking the questions. They're so much interested. You came twice or thrice so many times. I've seen you whenever you give talk. You inspire the students and you make them participate in your thinking in your subject. You make them happy. That's I'm very happy. Thank you, Satish, and I also thank Kamlakar and his department members. I don't know all are present, senior members. So I've seen all the senior members, Nehru, KBS Sastri Garu, Anil, and the other people, those who have been behind the screen. All the other students and the staff members from other colleges who have joined us. So I'm very proud to say that this Satish is my student. and I'm very proud of him because whatever he does with intention, with the vision, with the dedication, and he has no selfishness in his always very simple, very obliging. Satish may be knowing that our college now stands 36th rank 36th rank in NIRS ranking. There is a proud moment in our, because it's not easy to get into the poll. There are 17,000 colleges in India, more than 17,000 colleges. See, only 7,000 colleges could, they dare to apply for this, and among them, we were 45 last year. This I 36, 9 points we jumped. So the infrastructure, everything is there. So like you people who have been in our college, shining outside, where you have. First time I'm seeing the TED talk. That please that send the link to me. So it's so nice. It is one of my students is giving me TED talk. It is such a great thing. I know you are you give talk, you go around. I know that, but I didn't know that TED talk also I have given. That is one of my topics, and in the sense one of my favorite pastime. TED talks very short and sweet, and you get what you want. Also, inspirational talks are there. So many talks. I have collected few talks, TED talks. Whenever somebody says go there, that means you are there. That TED talks. That means you are a popular person. I'm happy that Kamala chose without my knowledge. Satish has been chosen to come to hack. Hacking is not negative activity. Hacking is actually positive in the sense you must be protected. You might be protected. So that is so that's what the life teaches us. You will protect yourself first. The good thoughts, positive thoughts. So don't think negativity. You are protecting is not negative. So attacking others is negative. You want to do for others, harm for others, that is attacking. You protecting yourself is not hacking. So think positively. You do what others, those who are in this. In the name of Loyola College, I thank you for participating in this, and I congratulate all the department members and Satish for accepting our invitation and inspiring so many and enlightening their minds and very easily visible on the spot examples and immediate response from uh, live examples. Such a wonderful seminar and webinar we had. So much. Thank you very much. God bless you. All the best. Do well. Keep safe. Keep your health safer, and take care of your family. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Father, for your words of encouragement. Uh, on behalf of the Department of Computer Science, finally, my dear students, whatever is true, whatever is honorable, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is commendable, if there is any excellence, if there is anything worthy of price, think about such things, my dear friends, because this is not the time to think of in a negative strategies. So hacking is one of the major threat in the world, but we need to aware being a student. We need to be cautious whether we are inserting our own data into any other platforms. Think twice before we do. Think twice before we insert any other data, because as early a note is there, there lacks of threats are there in 1 hour, and one day there nearly lakhs of hackers are doing some sort of penetration, and the intruders minded are there very strong minded people. They have very strong knowledge in the computer science field. They can penetrate whatever they want to do. But be ourselves loyal, be ourselves true, be ourselves in a country So I thank Father, Reverend Father Principal Victor Manuel SJ, for words of support, and I thank special thanks to Satish for supporting us for making this webinar a grand success, and I thank all the participants for uh, supporting us and taking inputs and valuable suggestions from a very expert in cyber security, Mr. Sai Satish, because he is in the field from the last 15 years. He is running the services all over in India. Not only that, it also it works in foreign also. But more interested in my part is I observed him from the last 7 years. I worked help police forces a lot for these type of security threats. I hope his work will continue in a better way for the sake of the society. And I thank our own faculty members, my seniors, Ezeb Nehru Garu, and my Dr. KBS Sastri Garu, and Lavanya Garu, and my colleagues. And I thank Aparna Garu for introducing the today's chief guest. And I seek the support in the next coming webinars also. I thank one and all. And this is the first time, as my knowledge is concerned, we have more number of participants from the outside Andhra Pradesh. As the statistics that took from the initial by Satish poll, and we got 46% from our state, 40% from other states. It's position that we are in. I thank Satish on behalf of Department of Computer Science, and I thank all my faculties. They are the backbone of me, and recently, if they are not support with us, these things may not be happen. I thank you, the management, and I thank our staff, and I thank all the participants. Without you, these things may not be happen. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you a lot.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Actually, my
Thank you,
words are
Satish.
yeah, actually my words are not enough for the gratitude. Emil father was my mathematics teacher for 2 years at BSc Math Stat Computer Science. Shastri sir,
Yes.
Nehru sir, Lavanya madam were my teachers. Very
Yes.
happy
Yes.
to see them again after a long time. Very happy to associate with my college. Actually, this Laila College, it's my college. Laila College and KL University. Laila College, I graduated. KL University is my post. Always feel that they're my mother institutions. Thank you very much for this particular opportunity, sir. I'm very happy. Wherever I go, generally I speak about this college because of the greenery, because of the vast campus, ground. Even in this particular program, also first 5 minutes, I spoke about this one only. So very happy, sir, seeing you all after a long time. Thank you very much, and we'll be in
Thank
touch,
you.
sir. Thank you very much. Whatever the
Yeah. Thank.
situation, I'm happy to be part of those programs, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Sadish. One second, Sadish. A feedback form is attached to the chat box. I request all the participants kindly fill the feedback form. It is going to be closed within 1 hour, and all the certificates are going to be issued within 2 days. And one more thing, while you filling your name and the college name, kindly be shortcut and then make it proper spelling. Otherwise, it may be trouble for us to regenerate the certificates. I request and I cooperate from your side. Thank you. The chat box is open and you copy